Norwegians and their coffee. In Norway, you're gonna find coffee everywhere. What you're not gonna find is cream or like milk when you have the coffee, right? Let me tell you a story. So you guys know, I'm in my A2. I'm in my A2 Norwegian class at Speak Norse, and it's like a few hours. We have a break at the top of the hour, the first hour, right? So I'm a bartender. I'm up late and everything. School's early in the morning, so I'm like, oh my god, I need a little pick me up. So I go to the front. I go to Miss Nicoletta, and I'm like, yo, Nicoletta, har du kaffe? And she's like, oh ja, selvfølgelig, Robert. Vi har kaffe på pauserommet der borte, right? So I'm looking around. Oh, bet. Tusen takk, right? So I go over there. I go to the pauserommet. I see their coffee machine. So I'm like, cool. I pick up one of the little things of coffee. It's like French vanilla. Slide it in the little thing. It's like a coin going into a slot, right? So I'm like, all right, cool. Get my coffee. Brews the coffee. Then I'm looking till the venstre, looking till høyre, and I'm like, yo, I don't see no cream. I don't see no half and half. I don't see no milk. I don't see like nothing. You know what I mean? So I'm like getting really nervous, because I don't even really like coffee. And Norwegians love coffee. Like they just love it, right? So I'm like, all right, well, so I go back and I'm like, oh, unnskyld meg, Nicoletta, har du milk, eller crème, eller like fløte, something like that. And she is like, nei, Robert, vi bruker ikke fløte i kaffen her in Norge, right? So I'm like, oh no, that's a problem, right? So I am like really panicking. I don't know what to do, right? So I just thought, okay, because Norwegians don't know how to drink coffee. This is clear because how you drink coffee is this right here. You have to have sugar. You have to have milk and cream because, like, obviously, like your coffee, this is how it should look. Look at this here right here, right? Bam. That's how it should look, right? That's the perfect cup of coffee. It's just so good, and you're just like, How could you not love this? I don't understand. It's so good. Because then look, and this is the best part. When you finish, you take your share, your teshe, right? You got a spoon, and you can use, oh, look at this here. You see that? Oh, that's the sugar. This is like the dessert after the coffee. Let me tell you, this is the perfect cup of coffee. Now, I challenge Speak Norse. I mean, it's kind of a challenge. I'm asking Speak Norse to make a video explaining to internationals like me coffee culture of Norway. Like, why do you like svart kaffe so much in Norway? Why is there no milk, no cream anywhere? Norwegians drink like 4 cups of coffee a day. They love coffee, but like they don't make it like this. This is the perfect cup of coffee. So, Speak Norse, the ball is in your court, and we want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Speak Norse, so please tell us, explain to us Norwegian coffee culture so that we can know. And then I will make sure that next class I bring my own milk so that I don't have to worry about whatever that's going on over there. Anyway, it's your boy Rob Does It All. And thank you for watching me make the perfect cup of kaffa.